Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your law firm's visibility with FindLaw beginner guide step by step clearly. To increase your law firm's visibility with FindLaw, start by creating a detailed profile. Visit the FindLaw website and navigate to the For Lawyers section. Sign up for an account if you haven't already done so. Fill in all relevant information about your law firm, including practice areas, location, and contact details. Make sure to highlight your unique selling propositions. Add a professional logo to enhance your firm's branding. Next, upload high-quality images that represent your team and office environment. Craft a compelling biography for each attorney in your firm. Include their qualifications, experience, and areas of expertise. Utilize keywords strategically, focusing on terms potential clients are likely to search for. Once your profile is complete, explore the blog feature on FindLaw. Regularly post informative articles related to your practice areas. Ensure that these posts are optimized for search engines. Engage with potential clients by answering questions in the community forums. Consistently monitor your profile's performance through analytics provided by FindLaw. Adjust your content and strategies based on what works best in attracting clients. Consider leveraging FindLaw's advertising options to reach a larger audience. Target specific demographics that match your ideal client profile. Participate in webcasts or legal seminars offered through FindLaw to enhance your firm's authority. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews on your FindLaw profile. Positive feedback will improve your firm's online reputation. Keep your content updated to reflect any changes in your law firm or practice areas. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your law firm's visibility with FindLaw. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.